So continuing on with the Dry January series, so of mocktails or non-alcoholic beer. Today's one is the Guinness Drought, and I've been waiting for this for quite a while. Does it taste like the real thing? So this is a Guinness 0.0, so this is alcohol-free Guinness, and I want to find out, does it taste like the real thing? So I've got 4 cans from Tesco. It cost me £4.50. So for each can it's £1.12, or I'll round this up to £1.13, as it actually come to £1, £1.12 and 5. But you can't have that, so you got to round up to the next one. So £1.13 for each can. But I can't wait to get into this, as I'm really excited for this. And does it live up to the hype? Does it live up already? Right. Took me by surprise, that. Took me a little bit by surprise. So when it's can version, I just like to do this. Just slam it in. How do you do your Guinness? When it's cans, I like to just drop it in like that, as I think it looks the best that way. As I've tried it previously tilted, it's not quite as good as just slamming it in. But if it's on draft, I'd go sideways, how you should do it. But for some reason it just works, I don't know why, from the can. So it's got quite a bit of it. So it's got quite a bit of a head on it, I won't lie. So a little bit of a shtick, as they call it. But how does it taste? That's the main thing. Is it worth £4.50 for 4 cans? It's quite nice. You can notice the difference though, that's one thing I will say. I can notice the difference between Guinness and the non-alcoholic version of Guinness. There's something missing, because I just can't quite put my finger on it. Normally that's that nice aftertaste I like in the back of the throat. But it's alright, I don't mind that. Certainly if you're not certainly if you don't like your alcohol, I'd recommend this, but if you like your Guinness, I'm not too sure you would, as it is quite noticeable. It doesn't have that stout aftertaste. But I can drink it, one thing I will say, but there is a bigger difference with it. As I'll be brutally honest, I'm not too sure I could do can after can after can after this. I was hoping it'd have a little bit of the taste of the Guinness, and it's noticeable. It's like a very watered down Guinness. One thing, that's how I describe it perfectly, like a very, very watered down Guinness. So overall, I think it's good. But if you like Guinness, I'm not too sure you'd like it. I am a big Guinness lover. I do love my stout, especially Guinness as well. But yeah, I certainly had to try it anyway. But I think it's a good idea from Guinness. But I just like to have it. I just wish it tasted more like Guinness. Instead, it just feels a very, 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 very light version of it without the stout aftertaste. It's one thing I've had when I had Copperberg with the non-alcoholic version. It tastes like Copperberg as well. I can't really notice the difference. This you can, and that is a big, big drawback of this. I can notice a difference, a big difference between the two. But I'd probably rate it 5 out of 10. That'll be my overall. It's about £2 the price, £4.50, so £1.13 for each can. But that is my thoughts on it. Do let me know, Guinness lovers, what do you think of the non-alcoholic version of the Guinness? Am I being too harsh on it? But I've been MixedSid, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the MixedSid for more review videos like this, more Dry January, as my next one will be the slush puppy. So I will show you guys how to make a slush puppy. As it's been a long time in the wait. I've been waiting over a month to get this machine, and here it is. So that will be the next video, and I can't wait to show you how that will turn out, the slush puppy itself. But I've been MixedSid. Have an awesome day, guys, and I will see you next time. Cheers.